Hello everyone, and welcome back to another exciting video of the Sublimation Focus. In today's video, we will be talking about the best 3D printer for making shoes. The output of this type of printer can give you the perfect design for any shoe imaginable, from casual sneakers to dress shoes. This 3D printer is also for users who want shoes that look unique and that will stand out in the crowd. We all know that the quality of 3D printers can make all the difference in the result, so today, we'll review some of the best 3D printers that will help you make the perfect shoes. To help you out, we've listed a few of the top printers that you should consider for making shoes. Each 3D printer is designed to produce exceptional quality and is perfect for creating any type of shoe. These 3D printers are used in any condition and are perfect for shoes that require great detail and accuracy. For your convenience, we have also included the link to each 3D printer in the description box below so you can purchase them without the hassle. The best thing is that these provided links are updated daily to ensure you get the best deals in town. So without further ado, let's dive into our list. Number 1 is Elegus Saturn II MSLA 3D printer. Step into the future of shoemaking with the ultimate tool for creative craftsmanship, the Elegus Saturn II MSLA 3D printer. Imagine an expansive 10-inch canvas that brings your wildest shoe designs to life, with a larger-than-life resolution of 7680 by 4320 pixels, rendering every intricate detail like never before. Craft with precision, as the ultrafine XY resolution of 28.5 microns ensures impeccable accuracy in every layer. Gone are the days of endless waiting, as this marvel's lightning-fast cure time of 1 to 3 seconds per layer ignites your creativity. Thanks to the Fresnel collimating light source, 48 UV LED lights team up with a free-form surface COB lens, delivering a dazzling uniform beam at 405 nanometers wavelength. Don't just dream it, print it! The Elegus Saturn II is your shoe design haven, boasting a generous build volume of 219 by 123 by 250 millimeters. Whether you're creating a grand masterpiece or a collection of more miniature wonders, this printer's got your back. So if you like this 3D printer, then check out the link in the description box to purchase it right now. Number 2 is Lotmax Shark V3 Auto Leveling 3D printer. Introducing the ultimate footwear creator's dream come true, the Lotmax Shark V3 Auto Leveling 3D printer. Step into a world where your shoe design visions spring to life with unparalleled precision and flair. This cutting-edge marvel isn't just a 3D printer, it's a footwear revolution waiting to happen. Crafted with genius, the Shark V3 boasts a gravity-defying smart G-sensor auto-leveling system that dances with gravity to ensure each layer is flawlessly aligned. Imagine shoes so well-crafted that they're practically tailor-made for your feet. Let's talk size. The Shark V3's playground is enormous, accommodating shoe fantasies up to 9.25 by 9.25 by 10.43 inches. And the silence? Deafeningly serene. Your shoe symphony takes center stage thanks to the whisper-quiet TMC 2208 ultra-silent drivers. So if you are interested in this 3D printer, then check out the link provided in the description to purchase it right now. Number 3 is Anycubic Photon Mono X2 Resin 3D printer. Have you been on the quest for the ultimate shoemaker's magic wand? Look no further than the Anycubic Photon Mono X2 Resin 3D printer, a true masterpiece that will take your shoe creations to another dimension. Imagine a 9.1-foot 4K plus LCD screen, where every pixel dances to a resolution of 4096 by 2560, capturing the tiniest details with pixel-perfect precision. Each pixel shines as a mere 48 micrometers, a leap ahead of its predecessor, the Photon Mono X, guaranteeing your shoe designs an exquisite level of intricacy. Hold on to your shoe designs because the Photon Mono X2 boasts the Anycubic Light Turbo Matrix light source, showering your models with UV light from every angle. This symphony of light ensures a uniform exposure, resulting in printed masterpieces that stand out. Choosing your creative partner has never been easier with compatibility. Photon Workshop, Chitabox, Lychee, it's like having a toolbox filled with possibilities. The textured 3D printing platform with checkerboard charm holds your creations firmly, while the anti-scratch film protects the LCD screen like a night shield. So if you like this 3D printer, then check out the link provided in the description to purchase it right now. Number 4 is Frozen Sonic Mini 4K LCD Resin 3D printer. In today's fast-paced world, where creativity knows no bounds, the Frozen Sonic Mini 4K LCD Resin 3D printer emerges as a vibrant masterpiece, sparking excitement among shoe designers and creators alike. This printer boasts an unparalleled 3840 by 2160 ultra-high definition, painting each layer of your imagination with an exquisite precision of 35 an unrivaled feat that dances at the forefront of innovation. Crafting shoes becomes an enchanting endeavor with the Sonic Mini 4K, as its 6.1-inch monochrome LCD screen orchestrates a symphony of speed, printing up to 4 times faster than its conventional peers. With a chamber size of 5.2 inches by 2.9 inches by 5.1 inches, your shoe designs flourish unhindered, embracing ample printing volume without compromising on detail. Diving into its versatility, this masterpiece harmonizes with many 3D printing resins, granting you the freedom to craft with your heart's desire. The magic peaks with frozen aqua gray 4K resin and water-washable resins, where the alchemy of artistry meets technology. Journey to Frozen's official portal to unveil resin profiles and settings, guiding newcomers to fashion shoe marvels like seasoned artisans. If you are inquisitive about this 3D printer, check out the link provided in the description to purchase it right now. Number 5 is Creality Resin LD006 3D Printer. The Creality Resin LD006 3D printer is an optimistic leap into shoe design. Embrace your inner creator and step into a realm where your footwear dreams come alive in vibrant 3D reality. With its striking 8.9-inch monochrome 4K HD LCD screen, boasting a crisper resolution than fresh morning air at 3840 by 2400 dpi, your designs pop with unparalleled clarity. Crafting shoes has never been this breezy. With just 1 to 4 layers of resin exposure per print, you'll dance through designs faster than you can lace up your sneakers. The marvel of this monochrome LCD screen? A lifespan that's as enduring as your passion for design, delivering stable performance even during marathon printing sessions. The user experience? Oh, so smooth! Navigate the creative galaxy with the 4.3-inch full-color touchscreen UI, where real-time print updates light up your journey. Plus, the expansive build volume of 7.55 by 4.72 by 9.84 inches gives your imagination the runway it deserves. Speaking of limits, precision gets a grand makeover. The upgraded 2 degrees directional matrix light source and a transmission system that's powered up like never before team up with the 4K mono LCD, weaving an intricate tapestry of details and accuracy. So if you are interested in this 3D printer, then check out the link provided in the description to purchase it right now. That's all from us in today's video. We hope you enjoyed this overview of the best 3D printers for making shoes. If you want to purchase any of these best 3D printers, then check out the link provided in the description box to get them right now. And if you like this video, please don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our Sublimation Focus channel for more awesome upcoming videos linked to printers.